Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, I told you the scenario of a quick rebound above 109,300 was the most likely. And that's exactly what happened, just 5 hours after I uploaded the video. Price surged above the former all-time high, but there's one issue. Bitcoin got rejected at 110,700, precisely when the price action began nibbling on the short liquidation leverage cluster, which spans from 110,700 to 112,000. You can still see this magnet zone clearly on the 3-day liquidation heat map. The hottest zones right now remain at 110,700 and 111,300. These levels act like magnets for price action, but if we zoom into the 12-hour heat map, we spot something new that could impact the short-term direction. Right below us, from 108,500 to 108,200, we now see brand new long liquidation leverage. This is formed just over the past 4 hours and is already showing up as a hot zone on the 12-hour heat map. So what does this mean for the next move? Most likely, price will first sweep those long liquidations around 108,200. After clearing those, we could see a rapid reversal up to hunt the shorts sitting around 110,700. Because with the reversal, we are then above the yellow horizontal line marking the former all-time high at 109,300. This level could now act as a new base again. Once we clear the hot pocket above, we are likely on track for a breakout into new all-time highs. Keep in mind, the previous all-time high from just 5 days ago sits at 111,800. We are trading right below it now, and clearing that resistance will open the door for a major continuation move. In other news, a publicly traded social media and streaming company just announced it will raise $2.5 billion to invest directly in Bitcoin. The funds will be split between stock sales and convertible notes. The Bitcoin will be held on their balance sheet alongside nearly $800 million in existing cash. Custody will be managed by well-known crypto platforms. The move is being described as part of a broader strategy to gain exposure to what the company calls financial freedom assets. This mirrors a growing trend we've seen among public companies following MicroStrategy's lead. Their Bitcoin holdings reached nearly $24 billion by the end of last year. This new announcement reinforces institutional confidence in Bitcoin's long-term future. I'll continue to post updates like this every day to keep you ahead of the market. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for bonuses and access to our free community. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.